Welcome. In front of me I have Apple TV 4K, and today I will show you how you can install and play games on this device. So you have to go for the App Store at the first. Right now we can switch to the games and then just scroll down, and as you can see here we got a couple of the games. For example, we can get the Cross Your Road, so let's get it. Next you have to input your passcode to get this game. Let's click continue and accept this permission. That's what our remote control required to play games. And now just be patient and wait a little bit until this game will be on our Apple TV. Right now we can open. Click OK to confirm and go forward, and we have to click continue. And right now just click on your remote control on the play, and we are moving by using our arrows just like that. As you can see there we got also the preview on the screen. You can also use the touch block. And as you can see, that's how you can get games and play games on your Apple TV 4K. If you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.